Get me a tasty pizza with thick crust flavors, tomato delicious, and cheese at the dinner.
Hey everybody, Primal Instincts here, and I'm about to do a mukbang video for everybody. Mukbang, you know, one of those videos where you get to watch me eat and you don't get any because I can't share it with you through the screen. I didn't bring enough for the whole class anyways. I have a 10-inch veggie pizza that I'm about to devour. A little background information, I'm 150 pounds, about 150 pounds, and right now I am fucking hungry. So it works out. I'll give you a look here at what I'm about to be consuming for your visual consumption. Look at that. Just look at it. Delicious veggie goodness. Now this is like a local pizza place in the area. So they got plenty of cheese on there. We got some we got olives, tomatoes, onions, and peppers is what I'm seeing on this goodness. So let's give it a taste, huh? Oh yeah. It's really good. My second time having pizza from this place. Never gets old. Second and definitely not the last. Their crust is really good too. I definitely eat it. I wonder how long it's going to take me to eat this. Six slices all together, one down. 5 to go. This is actually a lot of food for me to eat. A little more than I typically would. But I make exceptions because I am exceptional. The weather today is perfect, by the way. Had a little fire in my backyard earlier. That was nice. I feel like this is pretty tame. Compared to some of the other mukbang videos out there where they've got like an entire table full of like noodles with all kinds of random sauce and stuff mixed in. I don't generally watch those. I've just seen a few. I've seen enough. Two down. Still going. Still got room in here. Pizza, pizza. I do have Italian ancestry, and right now it's speaking to me. This is so good. I almost feel bad at people who watch videos of other people eat. Like, I know you probably want some of this right now. Even if you already ate for the evening, it's pizza. Everybody likes pizza. I've never met anyone who doesn't like pizza. Have you? It'd be unheard of. Ask them what planet they're from and then tell them to go back to it. Are people supposed to like make moaning noises while they enjoy their food during these kind of videos? Or are they just supposed to eat? Are you supposed to talk a lot or are you just supposed to shut up and eat? Okay. Hey, be quiet. We're just here for the eating. Eat your pizza. Halfway there. Living on that prayer. 3 slices down and 3 more still to drop. And when it does, I'd pack up and hit the road, 'cause I don't want to see your head explode. What song is that from? For 5 points. Come on, I'll put you on the board. I might just order you a pizza if you get it right. There's a lot of cheese on this. Probably a little more than needed. I can really taste cheese. This isn't one of those places that has vegan cheese. Because when they have that option, I buy it. I pay extra for it, but because I'm not strictly vegan, I just prefer vegan. But if it's not available, it's not a big deal. I just can't eat meat though. That will hurt my body. All this cheese already might. I think it did last time a little bit, just because it's more than what I usually eat, and I usually have non-dairy cheese like I do at my house. See, I'm slowing down a little bit. Look at me. I'm a skinny guy. I'm a skinny guy, but I'm 4 slices down. And there's another rule. I'm not allowed to have a drink of water in between. I have to eat the whole pizza in one go without anything. You notice too, that's why I don't have any additional cheese. I don't have like Parmesan cheese packets. I mean, can you see this? There's already plenty, man. Oh! Splat. There is plenty of cheese up on this. I honestly think it's a little too much. I'm gonna have an option. You can pay for extra cheese. You're already giving that to me. If I pay a little less, can you put less cheese on it? Because I'd go for that. God. That bite was like 70% cheese. Jesus criminy, man. Jesus Brodent, the rat mascot. Eating that tomato that tried to escape, it jumped right off. There is an olive on the floor. I gotta eat it though. I said I gotta eat the whole thing. 10-second rule? Do they ever do that in mukbang videos? I can picture it. Alright guys. The ultimate mukbang video. Today's special is the floor tuna. We got some tuna spread out all over the hardwood floor, and we're gonna eat it off of there after adding some mayo. I would watch that out of curiosity. Wouldn't you? That's 5. There's only one left. And it's mine. Mine. A little ASMR for you too. Me personally, I don't find the sounds of other people eating to be ASMR. It's only worked for me when there was this guy that was chewing his gum like really loud, like with his mouth open like that, and like the noise, I guess it did kind of give me that like tingle effect. He's like, yeah, just chomp your gum like a maniac. It feels good. I would just see somebody chewing gum like, hi, can you like chew that louder with your mouth open? I don't know, it's just like really soothing to me. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I can do it. That's it. It's over. 11 and a half minutes. That was really good. I did do talking in between, so it didn't quite take 11 and a half minutes to eat, but hey, there it is. One whole delicious pizza in my belly. I don't know, do you enjoy watching videos like this? I was gonna eat egg foo young in this video, but that Chinese place was closed today, so I went here instead. So maybe another day I'll do egg foo young. And I'm just gonna sign off the video. After eating, you gotta... That's how you let them know that their food was good. Thanks for watching, and I'll taste you later.